Hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I am in the process of filling out my funded trader agreement here at TopStepTrader. Um, I had a nice Thanksgiving break. I am behind on answering email and answering YouTube posts at this point in time. But how about those Pitt Panthers, though? Steelers last night. You know what? I'm up here long enough, you have to be either a Pitt or Penn State fan. I guess this is my 20th, 21st, 22nd year, somewhere in that area of living up here in Western Pennsylvania. And I've grown to like Pitt over Penn State. I'm still bleed orange though, most of the year. The Vols, it's been a really rough year. And um, now they're having issues who's going to be the new head coach. Honestly, I still like Butch Jones. I think he was the right man for the job, and he got thrown under the bus. But hey, that's just me. But on a side note, I would say what he did to Jalen Hurd last year by not featuring him and not putting a blocking back in front of him, that was the beginning of his end. They should have had. I know that they had the team last year's team was a team that was supposed to do really good and even compete against Alabama. But hey, how about those Auburn Tigers too beating Alabama? You know, it's a good week. It was a good week in college football. Number one and number two go down in the same week. So hey, what can you say? That's what makes football here in the States so much fun. All right, so that's my side note. I am, like I said, I'm filling out the funded trader agreement right now. There's 3 steps to it. You got to fill it out. I guess you have to do something else. There's a second step, and third step is pay your fee. So I only trade the crude oil market, and that's an intention too, because I don't want to have to pay anything more than what that. I mean, look at it this way. If you're trading multiple markets at Top Step Trader and you have to pay, I think it's what, $84, $85 right now. And if you were in 3 different exchanges, what's that? $15 short of 300, so 245 roughly. I don't know. So it's close to 300 bucks monthly fees if you were trading, say, in the CME, the NYMEX, and then you kicked in the COMEX as well, the gold. So say if you were trade, and if you trade some other exchanges, then each one of those exchanges is an extra fee. Now, obviously, that's from what I hear is an advantage on the other side. Hopefully, that can be negotiated out as time moves on. More competition, right? Uh, Honestly, I think the Top Step Trader plan is the best, at least for my fit. It might not be the best for your fit, but it is for me, and that's where I am right now. I'm looking to get forward. I'm looking forward to get back in trading. According to the email that it was sent to me from Phil, it sounds like once you get your contract signed and all the T's crossed and the I's dotted, you can 3 to 4 business days after that and pay your fee, obviously, you can get funded. So today being Monday, um, figure I'll have it completed today, and then that we'll call day one Tuesday tomorrow. So it looks like by next week, the first full week of December, I should have my funded account, at least somewhere in that area. That's what I'm thinking right now. All right, that's about all I have to talk about today. I'm not trading at this point, obviously, because I'm in between sitting and waiting. Uh, so I'm relaxing. I'm taking my mom back to actually. She's flying back to her home today. It was nice having her up here, and it's just been a very pleasant Thanksgiving break for me. And I hope it was for you as well. Sometimes you just need to take time away and recharge those batteries. And I took 6 months away as well through the summer, and it helped recharge and help me refocus what I want to do, how I want to approach the markets, and obviously I had to figure out how to work within low volatility as well. Coming out the other end of it, obviously I'm hoping to stay within funded and use the information that I have gleaned, hard won and fought to move this account and stay in. So bottom line, You know, proof is in the pudding. Yes, I know that. And all the people that want to say all those comments, that's true. And I would also say that a laborer is worth his wages as well, as the Bible quotes. So, am I worthy if I would sell something? Well, that would be in the eye of the beholder that would look at the material. So, I'm not a charlatan. I don't hide anything, and for the most part, I try to be as transparent as I can. I put what's working for me, and it's, you know, when I look at digital marketer, one of the one of the weekly conferences they have is called What's Working Now. What better thing to say? This is working for me right now. This right here, this particular strategy, or if I make this adjustment to this adjustment, now it's working. So what's working now, as opposed to buying something that's 5, 6 years old and you're thinking, and you put it in play and it's no better than the black box system that I bought years ago that lost thousands upon thousands of dollars. So I would tell you, and I would argue that yes, I am worthy of my wages, and I am a laborer that's out here working in one specific market. And yes, I do specialize in the crude oil market. I've been specializing in it for many years now. It is what it is. Either you believe that or you don't. I can't convince you one way or the other, and it's not my job to convince you. My material should convince you, along with what I put up on the web, um, and whatever else. You know, the bottom line that you can say with me as it relates to TopStepTrader, I have documented proof that this is my 6th time into the funded account. And the rules have changed. They're more conducive to trading. Am I a better swing and a positional trader? Definitely, because you got more money to play with. I don't have the drawdown to work with. The trade that swing opportunity that I put on, that was an awesome trade. It's like I said, it's something that doesn't come around all the time. But when you see something like that and you're able to bank some money, that's just been the years of experience of being a trader. And my website says 25 years, but honestly, I'm on the 30th year. I'm on 30 years plus at this point. I'm not a multimillionaire. I probably started the way that you want to go the reverse of it. I started trading billions to millions, and now I trade thousands. And then and at TopStepTrader, I start at zero. So what better way to prove yourself? Starting at zero and moving forward that way. That's kind of been my goal. And yes, I've been able to take money away. There's proof up there on the wall. And I've been able to make day 9 decisions on 2 other occasions, I believe, to go back to funded trader prep. And I believe only one of the 5 times I was in, I hit the max daily loss. So, I mean, not max daily, well, max daily loss. And excuse me, I took, wait, what? So I think it's 1 time FTP, 2 times taking money away, one day 9 decision, 1 hit trailing max drawdown, and my very first one hit max daily loss. I think that's my 5 times. So the 6th time, all right, this is Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. I'll see you in the next video I'll put together. Bye for now.